How to save battery on your Samsung device. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can easily save your battery on your Samsung device. There are quite a few ways, so let's just get right into it. First thing you have to do is head over to your settings menu, obviously, and then from there, you're going to scroll down until you find your battery status. In some cases, you can find it with the digital well-being option or device care. You can find battery over here. Just go ahead and tap on battery and it's going to take you over to this option. So the very first thing you can do is turn on your power saving. Go ahead and click on this turn on mode. It's going to turn on dark mode to minimize battery usage, and then you could also set some background usage limit. You can put unused apps to sleep. Then you could also select never auto sleeping apps. Then you could find all of your deep sleeping apps that you haven't recently used. Then I can just go back here, go to battery again. The other thing that you can do is turn on battery protection. So you can adjust your charging behavior from this. So what happens is when your battery is charged to 100%, charging will stop until the battery level drops to 95%, and then the charging will start again. You could also do the adaptive one. It will stop charging at 80% when you're asleep and then switch to basic before you wake up. Then you could also do the maximum battery protection. Your battery will stop charging. You can set the percentage over here, and that's pretty much it. Now you can go back here again, you'll see your battery usage. Then you can find your charging settings as well. You can turn on the first fast charging, and then from there you can find your battery information. So that's basically it, guys. I hope this tutorial was helpful. Hit the like button down below, subscribe to the channel, and I'll catch you guys in the next one.